Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Abercrombie try-on haul. This one's gonna be a little bit different of a style in comparison to my previous ones, which I'll link those down below for you guys if you have not checked them out yet. You'll have to let me know if you like this style more or if you like the previous style, whichever one works best for you. I think I like this one a little bit more because I put more effort into styling different outfits with the pieces, so you guys can get a different variety of like different ways to style it, so you understand the versatility of the pieces, because that's what I look for when I'm bringing new pieces into my wardrobe is, can I style it with things that I already own, and how many different ways can I actually wear it? Is it worth the investment? So you'll have to let me know. Everything that I mentioned in this video, if I can find it or something similar, will be linked down below for you guys, so it's easy for you to shop. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Notice a lot of these pieces are more of a transition to fall. I'm super excited that Abercrombie finally started to release some fall items. My favorite things that Abercrombie does is sweaters and just chunky knits and things like that. I'm so excited for the fall weather. Even though it's still like 90 degrees outside, I'm starting to look for pieces to incorporate in my wardrobe. So, all right, so this first piece will come as no surprise to you if you've watched my previous Abercrombie videos as well as like all of my daily vlogs. I live in my green shirt that I have like this. This is the A&F boyfriend tee, super soft collection. I got it in white and I decided to actually get a small in this. My green is a medium. I still like the way the medium fits. I just wanted to see if I noticed a difference with the small, and I actually think I like the fit of the small a little bit better, so I would go true to size in this. I don't know why I sized up so much when it's already a boyfriend oversized tee, but I did. Nonetheless, I like this white. It's super cute. I went ahead and cuffed the sleeves. I like to tuck it into jeans. This color is a bit more sheer than obviously the green one, and they do have a couple of other different colors, but I still will wear it. I still like a basic white t-shirt, and if you wear a nude bra, you can see it, but it's nothing like crazy. So yeah, even a bralette would look cute underneath this, but I do think it's so soft. I love the quality. It just is on the sheerer end, so y'all just have to decide. I just wanted to mention that it's not opaque. I went ahead and paired it with a new pair of jeans. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think about these, as well as everything. What should stay, what should go. I don't keep every single piece, but I do like to just see and style it and see if it really will work. So these are this is a piece that I'm kind of like on the fence with. So these are the mom jeans, the 80s high-rise mom jeans. So I really love the coloring on this. I really wanted just a pair of basic medium wash jeans with no rips or tears in them that are high-rise. So the only thing that's a little different with these is they're a little bit baggy in the like crotch region. I don't know. I think they're a little bit baggy there, but also they kind of like balloon out, if you can kind of tell. They come to a pretty big taper at the ankles, which I like, but they kind of balloon out. And I know that's kind of the style. So I'm just wondering if like, I just need to embrace it or if y'all think like it's too much. So I don't know. The stretch on these are amazing. They look like rigid structured denim, but they're very stretchy and feel awesome and so comfortable, like sweatpants. So I really do love the color, the style, the fact that there's no rips, but I just need to know, is the ballooning of the leg too much? You guys sound off in the comments down below. But these fit true to size and I really do like them. I would not size down, even though I feel like they're a little large in the like crotch region. I would say true to size. I went and styled them with my checkered Vans. I feel like these are such a cool fall shoe. I don't know, I break them out all the time, honestly, any season, but I like them especially during the fall because they are a little bit like, I don't know, grungier, I guess you could say, like as grungy for me as I get. I'm not super grungy, but I do love Vans sneakers, and I think the checkered ones are cool for the fall. They kind of just add a little bit more of like, I don't know, how do I want to say it? Like a little bit more of an edge to any outfit. And I wanted to start adding some accessories in, my everyday accessories in, to show you kind of what a completed outfit would look like. So I love this Marc Jacobs Snapchat camera bag situation. I wear it all the time. I love it. I think the black and orange like little strap thing is very fall-esque. This color I don't think they make exactly anymore, but if I can find it, I will. But I just think all the like I don't know. It's got like tan and green and blue, and then the straps are interchangeable. I love this bag. I've owned it for, I want to say like 2 years or so, and it's held up really, really well. You can interchange, like I said, the straps, but this bag is super cute. So I added that to the outfit with a black leather jacket. I will see if I can still find this specific one. This one's from Topshop. I got it at Nordstrom like years and years ago, but I love it. I feel like a nice cropped sort of structured leather jacket with a little bit of like these sort of like, how do you call this? I don't know, patch detailing with the zippers. I love this jacket. I wore the heck out of it for the past like 3 years. It's my fall like staple with jeans, a white t-shirt. I just think, again, it edges up the outfit so it can take it from day to night. Or yeah, I just think it's such an awesome outfit. So that is basically a staple outfit for me for the fall time, and I absolutely love it. All right, so sticking with the same jeans, I decided to pair it with a basic white bodysuit, which I have showed in a previous Abercrombie haul before. I love this. I feel like it's super versatile. I wore it throughout the summer, and I'm gonna transition it into the fall. I just think you cannot go wrong with a basic staple white. This is like one of those submarine style fit bodysuits. So yeah, absolutely need one of those for the fall. I love throwing it on with this oversized striped like button-up sort of thing. I like to leave it open for a much more like casual look. If it's still a little warm and you just kind of want to like, you know, still show some skin but have something to cover up your arms and whatnot. I love this. I love to roll up the sleeves, give it a very casual sort of chill vibe. I then still kept it with these jeans. Such a cute outfit. For bags with this, I went ahead and threw on my Madewell bag. I love this bag. I feel like it is such a staple. Brown leather, you cannot go wrong in the fall, obviously. I love that you can wear it as a long crossbody, but you can also hang on to it by the handles. Such a versatile bag. It's pricey, but the quality is amazing. The leather is awesome, and I feel like it wears super, super well. Okay, again with this button up, like I said, you cannot go wrong. I grabbed this in an extra small because it is oversized already. They have so many different colors in this. I can't wait to get one of those two-toned ones. I think they sell out so fast, so I just need to get it while I can. But I just love this, and specifically I bought this to pair with sweater vest. Now, I don't think I've ever owned a sweater vest, or if I have, it's been so long, but I love the look of sweaters over oversized button-ups, whether it's a vest or just typically like I would normally just put a regular sweater over it, but I love it. I think it's so like chic and like preppy, but so cute and also like relaxed and comfy. The thing I made the mistake about this is I got it in a medium, and I wish I had just gotten it in a small. So I'm gonna exchange it for a small. It's just a very heavy sweater, which is good, obviously, but I feel like it will kind of like, with the weight, like stretch a little bit, so I wanna get it in a small. The quality of this is so freaking nice. It's so pretty. I love the fact that it's cream. It'll go with everything. You can also wear this button up just plain. I love doing like a half tuck in the front, like kind of unbuttoning one or two buttons and just kind of half tucking it. I think it is so cute, especially with dark skinny jeans. You just have like a very sleek outfit. You're covered, but I still feel like with a button up, it's like classy and a little bit fun. And then again, with these little black slip-ons, I think is such a cute look. Another way to dress this up, I really wanted to show the versatility of a button-up because I think you cannot go wrong with something like this, is taking this gray sweater that I have on right now and just throwing it over the shoulders. I feel like obviously that's a very like preppy, like Highland Park mom vibes for me in Texas, but I love that look. I think it's just such a fun way to kind of make an outfit look so much more like preppy and elevated. This gray sweater, I love this. I saw this sweater and I was like, oh, I don't know, it's really basic, I get it. I like that it was longer length so you can wear it with leggings. It literally specifically says like legging friendly, which I thought was really cool. I honestly don't own like a dark gray sweater like this that's crew neck. I have a turtleneck one, but not a crew neck one. I love the quality of this sweater. I got it in a small, I wanna say. It is oversized, like I said, so you could size down if you wanted to fit more true to size, which I probably will get the black one in this and go with a probably even an extra small, I don't know. But specifically, these jeans are from Everlane. They don't make this exact style anymore. These are the, or the like wash of them. These are the cheeky jean, which I love. I will link something similar to, or I will link these style of jeans down below, but I will also link something similar from Abercrombie that I have. But basically just a medium wash dark, or medium wash distressed jean with an unfinished edge and a big chunky sweater is like everything to me. I feel like it just screams fall. And I feel like you need just like a nice classic pair of sneakers to go with something like this. Obviously these are very pricey, but I love them. The quality is amazing. And I just love the small details of them. The green in the back, the cow print toe, and the little orange laces, the suede at the top. I just feel like these you can wear going out, you can wear casually, just around. They're so comfortable and super nice. So I loved this sweater. I think it's kind of looks basic when you first look at it. It's so soft though. The quality is so nice. It's got a good weight to it. And I feel like it's absolutely so versatile. Another way to style this sweater more into evening wear is to again throw on my little Marc Jacobs Snapshot bag with a leather jacket. Like I said, you can't go wrong. This sweater kind of has like darker, like it's got light and dark. It's kind of like a heathered sort of look. So I think it goes really nicely with a black leather jacket. So cute. So that's a nice way to like edge up the outfit, make it look a little bit more nighttime. Okay, I also threw it on with these jeans, which I love these jeans. I do not have a full length pair of denim, so I really wanted to grab a pair like this. So these are the 90s straight ultra high rise. Love ultra high rise. I got them in true to size. They have nice distressing at the bottom. They're more of like a faded, like a, what do I want to call, like a washed out black, not like a super stark black. But I thought this looked so nice with this sweater. Just such a cute, like basic classic outfit, but I love these jeans. The distressing on them is so nice, and I like that they go full length to the ground. I just don't own a pair of jeans like that, so I figured, especially going into fall, I would need a pair of black ones. Okay, this next piece will come as no surprise. If you know me, you know I love a good graphic tee. I loved this dark gray one. This is Beetles. Again, it's got that same nice piping like my other graphic tee does from them. I love this piping down the back of it. It's so soft. I got the Beetles because it reminds me of my mom, so I really liked it. I also loved the coloring in it. So like this is the Abbey Road album cover, I'm pretty sure, but it's got different colors in it, which I think are really fall-like, but you can also tie in these colors to your outfit. I threw it on with these same Everlane jeans, and then I went ahead and added this blazer over the top. So I've been eyeing this blazer from Abercrombie for a while now. It is their like stretch material. It looks wool, but I don't actually know what, doesn't look as itchy as wool, or doesn't feel as itchy as wool. No, it's not wool. But it's so stretchy and nice. I love the caramel color. I feel like it goes with everything. I feel like you can dress it up, obviously, with like a sweater or whatnot, or a blouse underneath, but you can dress it down with a basic graphic tee. But it is so stretchy and so comfortable. It's nicely lined in the inside, so it is double lined. It has pockets in the front, which are like sealed up now, but you can always like pick them open. But I did get this in an extra small because I didn't want it to be like super oversized. I wanted it to be more fitted for the look I was going for. I love this. I feel like this is just such a classic piece and something to invest in. And it was pricey, but I do feel like the quality is there for sure. And then of course, a different way to style it is to just throw on the leather jacket and you instantly become more nighttime to go out, have dinner, bar, whatever. And the next way that I styled that same graphic tee was with this sweater skirt, which I don't own anything like this as well. And I feel like this is such a basic staple. I wish I owned this when I was pregnant. Speaking of pregnancy gods have been answered. Abercrombie has maternity jeans. Like what? I so wish they had that when I was pregnant because maternity jeans are awful. So if y'all are pregnant, check it out. And if you have checked it out, let me know the quality. Obviously I can't speak to it because I've never worn them before, but I was just so excited. I'm like, Abercrombie is just, yes, it's there. I love it. So anyways, these skirts, super cute with big slit in the front. I love this sort of thing paired with a graphic tee. You could obviously dress this up and make it more, you know, dressy 100%. With like a blouse, like a satin blouse or something like that. But I chose to pair it with the Beatles shirt, which I think is so cute. And then just a way to kind of add a little bit more layering bits to it for the fall. I threw on my cropped denim jacket that of course is from Abercrombie that I've worn a million times. You need a cropped denim jacket, especially for like skirts and things like that. But I just think that outfit is so freaking cute and so fall time. All right, and then the last look with this Beatles shirt, I went ahead and threw on those same black denim 90s straight jeans. I feel like this is such a, especially with my checkered Vans, such like an edgy look for me. I know, not super edgy, but edgy for me anyways. I loved the look of this. I feel like these jeans just like cinch in the waist so much that you just look like an hourglass. I love it. I don't know, it's amazing. But with the checkered Vans, I just think this is such a fun outfit. More of like nighttime, I would say, for me, but specifically just screams fall. And then again, with the layering aspect, going into if it's a little bit colder where you live, throwing on this denim shirt that I picked up in one of my recent Abercrombie videos as well. I love this. It gives you denim like jacket vibes, but in a shirt, which I think is super cute. All right, moving along. So this next sweater that I got is, I think, not a hit for me. I don't know, I loved the idea of it. I feel like I used to own something like this like way back in the day. It's a collared sweater shirt. It's very cropped. It does just tuck into my jeans. I paired it with my Everlane jeans. I just feel like the V is almost too, it's just too much for me. Don't get me wrong, it's super cute. I just don't feel like it's necessarily my vibe. I would want to wear my hair down because it is so much like cleavage that I would want to wear my hair down, but then you kind of cover up the fact that it's like a polo sort of thing. So I don't know, maybe in like a black or something. I just feel like maybe this color really does nothing for me as well, because I'm like, it's all the same color going on. I don't know, it just didn't scream out to me. You guys let me know in the comments down below, but I definitely think I'm gonna return that guy. Okay, this next blouse is my favorite item that I got. I already wore this out to a birthday dinner, and I am just in love with this like silk satin blouse trend. It comes in green and black, and I'm gonna get both of them. This is just such nice quality. This, oh, I love it. It's not super, I think they say it's satin, not silk, but either way, I just love this trend. I love a good button up, but I love that this is like an elevated look to it, and I wore it, this exact outfit I wore out to a birthday dinner with my Everlane ripped jeans. I think ripped jeans, some like nude heels, and this like satin blouse is just a whole look. They also have little satin camis that you can put underneath as well. They didn't have that when I ordered it. They had just come out with it, but it is such a good look. And I paired it with this really fun bag that I recently picked up from Amazon, and I feel like the quality is really nice. I love this green, if you can't tell. I just feel like it's such a fun pop to my very neutral wardrobe. This gold chain is so hefty and nice. It's kind of like a coin pouch look. They have it in black as well. The leather is so soft and really nice. I feel like you cannot, like you wouldn't know this is from Amazon. It's so cute. So yeah, those are all of the outfits. That's how I styled everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun just like going through my wardrobe mixed in with the new pieces that I picked up to kind of create some fun outfits for you that kind of really scream fall in my eyes. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you did, which outfit was your favorite, any pieces that you guys are interested in checking out, and any other brands that you want to see. I think I'm going to do an H&M next month because a lot of you have asked for H&M. So yeah, I will continue doing these. I love doing these. Abercrombie is my favorite place to shop ever, so I love picking up new pieces. So if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss one of these videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!